Hey everyone, it's MK. Welcome back to MK Quilts and MK Quilts University. So, it's my weekly video inviting you to join Ellen and I tomorrow afternoon, 2 p.m. Eastern. So, that is Wednesday, July 17th, 2 p.m. Eastern, for our discussion and demos from the den. So, I'm here in the den and I'm working on what you are looking at on the screen. So, tomorrow is going to be a little bit of a discussion about borders and sashes. And I'm going to give you some ideas, and these are just a few that I've chosen, but I'm going to give you some ideas on using borders and sashings in maybe a slightly different way. Maybe thinking outside the box on how could we combine them together? How could we use something that is not necessarily a border or a sash, but turn it into a border or a sash? So, just some ideas to get you thinking about how you might use some of the designs in your collection. So, remember, you have to sign up for the Zoom meeting inside of the discussion and demo class. I'm, of course, dropping the link here. So, last week was Ellen on free motion. This week, it's MK back on My Love for Pro Stitcher. We hope you'll join us tomorrow. See you then. Bye bye.